And we'll get started with the first one, which is professional services provider. And I'd like to, from Emotion, I'd like to invite up Ada Valentek and also Laurence Patquot to come up and give this award away. So come on up and join us. And I know the food guys are blocking you here. And Agata, if you will read off the short list.
In the meantime, of course I will. On the short list we have Aplana, Italian, First Title Insurance, Hayes Poland, Headcount Solutions, MK Illumination, Regia Plan, for HR Consulting. This is the short list.
Right. So welcome.
Who is the winner? Everything will be clear in a moment.
Welcome to the stage, and thank you for helping us hand out this award. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. And our hostess will give you the envelope.
So the best professional service provider seems MK Illumination. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
MK Illumination, professional service provider of the Euro.
Congratulations, and please feel free to say a few words.
Oh, I'm really surprised. Thank you very much. We love it to bring experience to Poland, and I love it to do it the next month. Thank you very much, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Congratulations.
come join us over here for a photo.